Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rosemary tonic using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1/4 cup of fresh rosemary sprigs, 2 cups of distilled water, and a clean glass jar. Using distilled water is important for purity, ensuring your tonic is free from impurities found in tap water. This simple preparation sets the stage for a wonderful, natural tonic. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the rosemary. Begin by gently rinsing the fresh sprigs under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. After rinsing, carefully pat the rosemary dry with a clean paper towel. This step is crucial to avoid introducing excess water. Finally, lightly bruise the leaves. This helps release the beneficial essential oils, enhancing the tonic's potency and aroma. With your rosemary prepared, it's time for the infusion process. Carefully place all the bruised rosemary sprigs into your clean glass jar. Next, pour 2 cups of distilled water directly over the rosemary, ensuring the sprigs are fully submerged. Once the water is added, seal the jar tightly with its lid. Allow this mixture to infuse at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight for a stronger tonic. After the infusion period, your rosemary tonic is almost ready. Carefully strain the infused water through a fine mesh sieve into another clean container, separating the liquid from the rosemary sprigs. Make sure to discard the used sprigs. Your fresh rosemary tonic is now complete. For optimal freshness and potency, store your homemade tonic in a sealed container in the refrigerator. It will remain good for up to 2 weeks, ready for your daily use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.